Look at that sun setting right there, and then right here, nice rainbow. Rainbow. Alright guys, what is going on? Thank you for tuning in to another video with your boy Rish and my boo Ali. Today we are driving out to Orlando. Nice 2-hour drive. We're gonna go see the homie Brandon that we actually bought this TSX from and go buy some body panels and meet up with the homie Angel as well, because you got another body panel and I got a ballast for him, and yeah, just a bunch of part exchanges. It's gonna be like a little TSX meet and part exchange meetup. It's hot, y'all. Was planning to go a little earlier, but hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Still going. Sunday fun day. Woo! Alright, y'all. We made it to Brandon's house. Brought his baby back here. Selling back the lemon he gave me. You know, we ready to discuss. Even trade back, you know? Even after. It's like, yeah, both his TSXs are outside. So he had 3. You know? 2 of his TSXs. That was his 3rd one. I took it away from him. There's some fenders he's got for me. Some of those black ones. Get rid of those fucked up ones. Hey. It's got like a little blue sparkle in it. Maybe of age, man, it gets hard to tell, but yeah, then this one you can really see. And the light and stuff, sparkling blue.
And that's the little ding I told you the picture right there.
Okay. Nah, bro, he's scamming me. Look at that. Look at that. Nah, good guy.
Big stuff, dude. You gonna get rid of that bacon fun.
Yeah, especially, you know, that one, because that shit crushed over there. And then I already hated the bumper holes, but it ended up being convenient because I needed it. Right? Kept the bumper up.
They'll be gone now. And both of them, they have the brackets too, so you'll have new brackets.
Hell yeah. So what you got going on with these? You just keep swapping over parts and doing some things?
This is the project one. Just did the RRC manifold, got the hybrid racing intake, headers, coil rod, little stuff.
That's beefy intake right there.
Yeah.
Where does it end?
It goes right down there.
Okay.
And I got the hybrid racing, the battery tray too for the SI.
Oh yeah. Did you have to cut or do anything with that?
No.
Or? Okay.
Well, I'm gonna run
Or
slim
re-drill
fans. Usually you have to trim it if you want it to sit that way, but since I'm gonna run slim fans, it'll fit just fine.
I was thinking about something like that, or make my own kind of thing, but
That's it. Yeah, I can't wait to hear this. PLM headers, and then the transmission is the core casing with the Civic SI gear set.
Shit.
Yeah, I did all of that. So.
Yeah, let me just take that.
SI everything. It'll be fun though. Yeah, I just got my favorite headlights on here finally.
Oh yeah.
J7.
Yeah, I finally had my nice set of headlights from this guy, and yeah, I only have one now out the set.
It'll be back.
But we're gonna get another one from the homie that I bought the header from, but I think that's like the case swap, because he said that it was from the TSX, but you know how that goes.
You just leave it by that light pole over there.
Still running nice and strong, guys. Yeah.
Drove around with that.
Shout out to him, Brandon.
Yeah, dude, I drive around with no hoods all the time when I have to fix stuff up. Funny with this one, I got a water leak.
Damn, this black car radiating that
I
heat.
usually put the hood prop to kind of line it up. I do this alone a lot, so.
Yeah. Wow.
That shit feels even better.
Yeah, I'll fix it. It's probably the fender, obviously.
It's really the fender. That one's pushed out so far.
This piece, so I think once you put the other fenders on, it'll be back.
So we got this lovely JDM hood now. So now we finally have a black hood, which is even better. Matches so much more and is not all messed up. It's got a little bit of scuffage. Things could get touched up or repainted. Got a set of fenders, and he's about to give me the downpipe with, you know, the flex pipe and stuff, so I can swap that out, 'cause, you know, your boy messed up when swapping out the exhaust. But yeah, boys, we got this. Let me hit up Angel right now. Walk around his cars real quick. Like you said, this is his project. Got the nice Brembos on it, Yo R's, hybrid racing shifter I see. Is this for the Honda Civics? No, that A-Spec wing or something. That's Euro R. This used to be red, and I really thought that He was wrapping it, but no, it just paint faded like that, which is crazy. Got the nice Tesla wheels on it. He's the plug for like front clips and headlights and some extra TSX goodies, JDM stuff from Japan imported. So yeah, y'all hit him up. I'll link his IG down in the description. I'm gonna take it regardless, cause I need something.
Know, bro.
Like
a lot of this shit will come off. I never once watched this car when it had this bumper. Like, this shit's ugly. Like,
damn, how dare you, bro?
I know.
Assuming this tab got repaired there.
Yeah, I fixed it. Grill mounts fine. I don't have another grill. It's on the car so I can show you, but it does mount fine. This
looks
is
like it's in the
welded.
same spot, so
Yeah.
it's fine.
Yeah. And then I have the other pieces in the car. I just fixed that.
You guys, we're putting some pieces to the puzzle right now. Shout out to Brandon and Angel again. You know, we're making a double trip back. It's weird how things keep working out, man. I got a little something for him too that he was needing.
That's the covers. Oh, you got the ballast. Hell yeah,
man, got you.
Hell yeah, bro. I appreciate you. The bezels, I don't know if you need them. They're there.
Oh yeah. So we got ourselves a little 06, 08 bumper. It ain't perfect, but it's a lot better than that. And it'll do. Oh, we just got this trunk from Brandon that we were just at. This nice JDM trunk. Camera. So you about like rewire it in.
Yeah, I had this trunk had a camera, but this
Oh yeah, I was like, didn't you have one already?
Yeah, but it's not the same style. So I wanted the original one. This one was wired and it was working.
That one's a little bit more sleek.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Well, that's like an aftermarket version or something?
No, this was from I think it was a CRV or something. So I actually found this at the junkyard and I was like, oh, I'll make it work, see if I can get it to work with the Android unit, and I did. So now I'm gonna do the same thing with that.
That's dope, guys. Hey, so CRVs, man, these work.
Sure.
You know if you know.
Got wired on the Android unit though. I don't think it'll work with the nav.
So he's working on his thing right here. Oh, so you made some progress because it wasn't primer, right?
No, just little by little I've been doing this. The
Nice.
outside rim primer. I got the wheels on it. I actually put the whole front end back on it. You have a point around here, and you go to, let's say, like this over here. Right? You want, obviously, you want to use the same point on either side. And then I put it over here, and it should be, yeah, it's pushed over actually. It's pushed over that way.
Oh.
Yeah. So when you pull it, instead of pulling straight, you're actually gonna have to pull a little this way. So I bet if you close your hood, you actually probably have a little bit bigger gap right here. Unless maybe you
That side too, though.
adjusted your hood.
Because
Yeah,
of the fender.
well, your
Because of
fender's
the fender
flat.
part,
Yeah.
Hey, TSX is like a utility truck, man. You can play Tetris and fit this thing in. Almost a whole new front end. It is a whole new front end because we got the hood, got the fenders, and now we got the bumper. Just like that one day, y'all. All black too. That's hard to get. That's hard, man. It's tough. You guys see, I mean, body panels get beat up, so it's hard to get it decent nowadays. Appreciate you, dog.
Of course, bro.
Always hooking it up. We got a good 2 hours, 2.5 hours to get home. Whole day of driving, basically. That's what it feels like, and essentially is. Of course, it got to rain though. What's poppin', y'all? As you can tell, it's the evening. It's looking all bootyful out here and stuff. We're trying to finish off this video. So I'm gonna take off this bumper, try to get these fenders off. go from there, because I want to get the fenders and bumper on and, you know, call it a day. We got the hood on, which is much better than the last one. I just want to update y'all, because this is how it's looking. Huzzah! Huzzah! For the bumper in this area, get yourself one of these little guys. You can find this at Harbor Freight, AutoZone, whatever is the most lowest profile one you could find. I'll get back to y'all. You don't want to see me unscrew a fucking screw, right? So, alright, yeah. You got the bumper off. Yeah, let's get it. The bumper's not really gonna matter with alignment fitment wise. What's really gonna tell and show is the whole fender and the hood gappage, the whole alignment there. And obviously right here, at least with the headlight looking a little crazy because this still has to get pushed out or pulled out this way. There's that. Old bumper, new bumper. Over here. And this is like the problem, y'all, of like, you know, time and management and being back in the gym and just trying to find the flow of everything and get back into the car work, but also try to get some decent sleep because we also been lacking that heavy. So damn. Honestly, I forgot this bolt underneath here, which is also kind of a fucking pain in the dick to get to. It's the next day. Looks like it's gonna storm and rain, but trying to take some things off.
So as you guys seen, this shit was fucked up.
Fucked up. Sorry, I'm just eating some chocolate from Aldi's. They're kind of goated, to be honest. They got some pretty good shit. Sadly, this tab is broken off, but thankfully this one comes with it. New involvement for the TSX, man. This is the CL7 because basically got a JDM front end, almost. One headlight, the hood, the fenders, even the fenders, you know, though that's the same as USDM, but still, it's from Japan, so JDM, bro. Yeah, you ready now, bro. CL7, I'm not even gonna wipe that off because, you know, I identify as a CL7 now. Yeah, because we could do that nowadays, right? I mean, whatever we want, right?
I didn't even touch that headlight.
I know. This fender is not a bad fender. It just needs to be patched up with that hole and stuff over there because I'm not a fan of quick release tabs or whatever the hell was on there previously. So the only bolt that we don't have in right now is the ones in this back corner, so fitment's not gonna be 100% and it's not gonna be 100% regardless because radiator support and all that needs to be straightened out a little bit better or pulled. So obviously I need the bumper still on. So we're putting on the side skirts and finally I gotta find a different screw. Side skirts are a pain in the y'all. A pain in the day. I don't even know what's going on there. I need new side skirts. This one the tabs are kind of breaking. Look at that sun setting right there, and then right here. Nice rainbow. Rainbow. So we got the side skirts on, all good. Sheesh, we got a bumper, now we just gotta get this grill. And we gotta hit this gym after this shit. Right, babe? Hit this gym. We have the whole front end back on and nice and sturdy, and it actually looks a lot better and more aligned. It's not as bad as I thought. I mean, this thing doesn't line up fully with the bumper to the radiator support because, like I said, some things need to be pulled just a little bit more, but it's all right. We're making progress and kind of stop worrying about this one as much as soon as I get a little bit extra little things on. But I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow morning before I head to work so I can show you guys in like the daylight and just looking a little bit better and stuff. So yeah, we gotta go head to the gym now. Probably, yeah, right?
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Good morning. I'm actually running late for work, and I was like, oh shit, I forgot to record. Let's do this real quick. Beautiful little morning. Happy Friday, y'all. It looks a lot more together. Obviously need another Euro R headlight. Need those plastics. I don't know if I have these plastics for the side of the fog light, and then I need fog lights or like covers or something at least.
And don't mind this right there, that's just condensation. There's no like fading or anything.
Condensation, I gotta wipe off the lettering. This is a lot a bit higher than the hood. That is what it is. Right after that, went to the gym, I stopped at the gas station. Well, as soon as we went to the gym, something felt wrong with my car, power steering wise. It already felt a little weird before, but it was manageable. It wasn't that bad, but something was extra bad now. And yeah, blew a high pressure line on top of the rack, the one that I blew on the white TSX. So yeah, that's fun. I gotta go to work now, y'all. So thank you for tuning in. Peace out. More videos. I had more things planned, but now the power steering line thing, we gotta figure it out. So.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.